Hello guys, in this Java tutorial you will learn how to reverse each words of a string. So let's put an example. If you have a string Java tutorial, it will become like this. So as you can see, the words will be reversed. So at the end of this tutorial, we will be able to reverse each words like this. Now, before we start to program, we will need to solve this problem. So firstly, we will need to allow the user to input the string. So for this, we will use the JOptionPane.showInput dialog. And then we will need to convert the string into an array of words. And then finally, we will reverse each word separately and put them into a final string, which we will then output. Let's create our gframe equal to new gframe. So we'll need to import it. And we'll remove the gframe and put it to all. Then string str input equal to JOptionPane dot show input dialog. Then we'll post our gframe and put our string which will be displayed to the user. So it will be input your text. If we run it, it will be like this. So here you will have your JOptionPane.show input dialog. This is the input dialog. And then here we can input our text, and here we will have input your text, which is what we have put here. So this will be the input dialog. And then we will create an array of words equal to str input dot split. What this function will do, this array will split a string into multiple strings with a delimiter. So the delimiter will be this one. It will be the delimiter which will separate the string. So in our case, if we input Java tutorial, so it will become like this. Java, then split, then we will have tutorial. Now we'll add another string. So reverse string will be blank. And for integer I equal to 0, I less than words dot length, I plus plus. Then we will add our next string, which will be string word equal to words, then I. So it will loop through the I. So I equal to 0, we have initialized I to 0. I less than words dot length. So here we will have the length of the words, and then we will increment the I here. So each time the I will loop, the I will be incremented, and the stopping point will be the words dot length, so the length of the word. reverse word equal to blank. So here we will have our first one, which will be Java, and for int g equal to word dot length less than 1, g greater or equal to 0, g minus minus. So firstly we have loop through the words, and now we will loop through the word and then reverse it. Rev word equal to rev word plus word dot char at, and here we'll pass g. The char at method returns a character at the specified index in a string. It will become like this, so it will reverse it here. When it will exit both of the loop, we will show the message dialog. So JOptionPane dot show message dialog gf, which will be the gframe, and then we will pass our rev string. Then we will need to add rev string equal to rev string, and here we will concatenate the rev string with the rev word, so it will become like this. Let's run the application, guys. And here, as you can see, we have our show input dialog. We will input Java tutorial. Okay. And here we have our output. So let's go through the code. Here we will have the gframe, which we will use in the JOptionPane. And then I have declared a string input where I have assigned the value input into the JOptionPane to the string input. And then I have declared an array of words where I have split the string input. So for example, when Java tutorial will be input, it will split it into Java and tutorial. It will split it into multiple string using the delimiter. And then I have create another string where I have put it to null. So rev string equal to null. Then I have created a for loop where I equal to 0, I less than words.length. So here words.length will be the length of the words, and I plus plus. And then I have assigned the string word to words I. So it will loop through the word. So here what we will do is I will add a system dot out dot print line so that you can see what's going on. System dot out dot print line, then we will put the word. We'll copy this, and paste it here. Then we'll paste another one here. With string. Now let's run it. I will put blade programming. Okay. Let's check our result. I need to put a space. Let's put the space and rerun it. Blade programming. So here it is. In the console window, you can check what is happening. Thanks for watching, guys. If this Java video tutorial has helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.